How to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on transferring USDT from OKX to Binance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, navigating these transactions can seem daunting. But fear not, our step-by-step video is here to make the process smooth and straightforward. Transferring USDT from OKX to Binance isn't just about moving funds. It's about leveraging the unique features and market opportunities each platform offers. Understanding why this transfer matters can be your key to enhancing your personal finance strategy and optimizing your crypto portfolio. Start by logging into your OKX and Binance accounts. Ensure your details are correct and both accounts are verified. This preliminary step is crucial in preventing issues later on, like account lockouts or failed transactions, which can slow down your transfer process. Navigate to your OKX wallet and select USDT. Click on Withdraw, then input Binance as the receiving end. Make sure to enter Binance wallet address precisely. A simple mistake could result in lost funds. Double-check the address to avoid costly errors. It's essential to verify every detail before proceeding. Ensure the amount entered corresponds with your intended transfer. Don't forget to check network fees, which can vary. Confirm these details to prevent unwanted surprises and ensure you receive the full intended amount on Binance. Log into Binance and access your wallet. Check for incoming USDT in the Recent Deposit section. Confirm the deposit matches the amount sent from OKX. If discrepancies arise, Binance customer support can assist in reconciling any issues quickly and efficiently. Sometimes, transactions might not go as planned. Delays or errors can occur due to network congestion. If your transfer isn't processing, double-check connection status or contact support teams on both platforms. Being proactive ensures minimal disruption to your trading activities. Keep your login credentials secure and enable two-factor authentication. Always use secure networks when handling cryptocurrency transactions. These precautions safeguard your assets against unauthorized access or potential cyber threats, ensuring your investments remain protected. Understanding the dynamics of transferring cryptocurrencies can unlock potential financial benefits. By mastering these steps, you position yourself to respond swiftly to market changes. This knowledge is not just practical, it empowers you to make informed financial decisions that enhance your investment strategies. Ready to take control of your crypto transactions? Apply these steps today and streamline your trading activities with confidence. Subscribe for more insights, share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts, and explore new horizons in the world of digital finance.